With just 3 ingredients, you can make this strawberry dessert that turns out simply amazing, super creamy, and with a wonderful flavor. It's quick and easy. Start by adding 200 milliliters of hot water to a blender. Next, 40 grams of strawberry-flavored gelatin. Then, cover and let it blend for about 2 minutes. And if you like easy recipes like this, go ahead and click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Next, add 3 boxes of heavy cream. Each box is 200 grams. Once done, cover again and let it blend for about 2 minutes. And tell me in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to know how far it will reach. Next, add a drizzle of oil to a baking dish. Using a brush, spread it well over the bottom and sides of the dish, just like I'm doing. Once this step is done, add all of the dessert we just prepared. And if you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious dessert to impress everyone over the weekend, you've just found it. Save it so you don't forget. Then, place it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Meanwhile, cut 5 strawberries in half like this. Cut carefully so you don't remove the strawberry leaves. Whenever I make this dessert at home, it's a hit. Nobody believes it's made with just 3 ingredients. A quick, easy, and delicious option for those days when you don't have time to prepare anything. Once done, set this part aside. Our strawberry dessert is ready, everyone. And to make it even better, I'm going to sprinkle some powdered milk on top. But it's totally optional. If you want, you can also get creative and make this dessert with other gelatin flavors, or add a different topping. Finally, let's add the strawberries we cut on top of the dessert, like this. Now just take a piece and check out the result. When you have guests at home, make this strawberry dessert, and I guarantee everyone will be impressed. And look at how amazing the result is. Simply perfect. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you've stayed until here, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what score does this dessert deserve? I'll leave you here for now, a big hug, and see you in the next video.